are you today? I'm fine. I want to go to the vegetable shop. Okay, do you need anything? Yes, I want to buy some vegetables. Good. Can you practice English first? Yeah, I will. I want to speak clearly. Very good. What will you say? I'll say, good morning. Can I get 1 kilo of tomatoes, please? That's perfect. Remember to say please and thank you. I will. I also want to ask about prices. Good idea. Ask politely. Okay, Mom, I'm ready. Good morning. Good morning. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. I'm learning English. That's great. What do you want today? I want 1 kilo of tomatoes, please. Anything else? Yes, 500 grams of potatoes. Sure, more. 200 grams of carrots, please. Whole or chopped? Whole, please. I like to cut them at home. Okay, do you want any herbs? Yes, a bunch of coriander and a bunch of mint. Anything more? No, that's all. How much do I need to pay? That will be 600 rupees. Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Can you give me a tip to store green beans? Keep them in a plastic bag in the fridge. They stay fresh for 3 to 4 days. Thank you. You're welcome. Do you cook at home? Yeah, I cook every day. That's good. Fresh vegetables make healthy meals. I like healthy food. I also want to learn English while shopping. That's a very good idea. Speaking is the best way to learn. I'll practice every time I come to the shop. Very good. You are learning fast. Thank you. I feel more confident now. Keep practicing. You'll get better and better. I will. Bye. Bye. Have a great day. Subscribe for more such learning videos.